Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to store and maintain your smart control pressure washer to keep it as good as new. Before you do any kind of cleaning or maintenance, make sure you switch off the device, disconnect it from the water source and unplug it to avoid any risk of electrical shock. Now when you're ready, place it on a flat surface and pick up the gun to begin disassembling. The first thing we're going to do is engage the trigger to empty any residue water that was left over from your session. And once that's done, you can disconnect the spray lines by pushing it in and rotating as such. Once they're separated, you can then disconnect the gun from the hose itself by using the yellow disconnect button. Once the hose and the gun are separated, we can store the hose by using the hose reel and winding it back. Now once the hose reel is stored, we're finished with the gun. The next step is to clean the inlet filter. It's very simple. Simply unscrew your water inlet cap and remove the white filter. Clean it of any kind of residue to avoid any water disruption in the future. Put the filter back and simply make sure it's recapped properly. Now, if you're using our machines, you're probably using a detergent inside the plug-and-play system. It's very easy to clean. Simply remove the detergent from the plug-and-play, take its original cap and put it back on. Make sure you use the original cap to avoid any kind of spillage and keep it in a dry, cool place. Now once that's done, we can move on to storing everything in its original spot. So you can park your gun right here and park your lance. Once that's done, your pressure washer is now stored and ready to use for the next time. A couple of tips with your pressure washer. Make sure you maintain the water inlet temperature against whatever is recommended. For this device, it's anything under 40 degrees. Always make sure to give your pressure washer a break and don't overdo it. And keep it stored in a cool, dry place. Keep it away from direct sunlight, from very cold temperatures. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below or check out our website for more details. Thank you.